it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to share with you some tips on how to set your concealer without using powder. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. The first tip that I want to actually give you, if you're my age, 45 and up, older, I'm on the older part, and older, setting powders do not really work for you that well. They can, but they do tend to really crease in this area and make you look 10 times your age, which we are not trying to do. So the first tip that I want to give you with cream concealers or wax concealers, they usually tend to crease within an hour or two, or a little bit, you know, between an hour or so. So what you want to do is just take your hand and you can actually, you know, just go back in just like this and fix it easily. Now, if you do not mind touching up several times a day, this would be perfect for you. You will not have to use setting powders. You just go back in. It gives the illusion of a flawless finish under eye area. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is use a concealer that does not require a setting powder. Bobbi Brown, I don't have it on me right now. Bobbi Brown is a good one. Also, the NARS Radiant Concealer is a good one. That it is prone not to crease, but you know, a lot of times creasing still can occur, but you know, it's less likely to crease, okay? But if it does, you know, usually you just go back in again, like I said, and just use your hands and just tap on it and just blend it right on out, okay? Tip number three, use a beauty blender and spray your sponge, okay? Lightly spray it after you apply your concealer, and take your beauty blender with the spray, with your setting spray on it, and dab it across your eyes like this. This will set your concealer. This is what I do. I usually use very little setting powder. I basically now have completely stopped using setting powder and just use my setting spray. I spray my beauty blender and I go around my face like that. That's it. Works like a charm. Last but not least, this is another one. If you're really somewhere where you are taking pictures, spray my face first with the setting spray, okay? Apply my foundation, spray it again, okay? Apply your concealer, then spray your beauty blender and dab this right over top of this, spray it again, and then spray your whole face again. I don't use setting powders often because when I do, I really tend to crease really bad. My skin is dry, so that adds to the creasy and the cakiness up under my eyes. And usually this is the first place that you will tend to look older, and we do not want that, okay? We want to stay young as long as we possibly can. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, for my new subscribers, welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. But for my oldies and goodies, and you know who you are, you keep watching me each and every time I upload a video, and I thank you so much. Again, thank you so much for just taking time out to watch me. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.